Hi guys. Today we will discuss about one of the SQL important interview question. So that interview question has the page recommendations. Let's consider as the problem statement. You are given two tables, friends and likes. So this is the friends table and likes table. So in friends table, user ID, friend ID, likes table, user ID and page ID. Like consider as the problem statement is you need to give page recommendations to social media users based on the pages that have been liked by their friends but are not yet liked by them. So let's consider as one example user ID 1. So if user ID 1 is friends are 234. 234 user IDs are pages are liked by A, B, C, B. So A, B, C is liked by all of them. So user ID 1, we will not give any recommendations. Similarly, consider as user ID 2, friend is 1. User ID 2 is liked by page A. So out of A, B, C, A is liked by 2, but B, C is not liked by them. So let's consider as the B, C as the output. So user ID 2, page ID B and C, they are not liked. Similarly, 3, A, 4 is A and C. So this is the output we need to generate from these two tables. Let's consider these two tables examples, friends and likes, and we'll create the same output. We'll jump into SQL. So here I had taken as the two tables, friends and likes, same as mentioned in the Excel sheet. User ID, friend ID, user ID, and page ID. So friends table and likes table. Let's consider this join, select from friends F, inner join, likes L. So here we have the condition is mainly depends on user ID. So friends and likes tables both are will join as user ID. On F dot user ID equal to L dot user ID. So here in select condition, we need user ID and page ID. So F dot user ID, comma, L dot page ID. Let's see the output. So we have all the user IDs and page IDs are shown. Let's consider as distinct. So if we execute distinct, only the specific users are shown. And consider as order by F dot user ID. User ID and page ID. So user ID 1 has ABC, 2 is A, 3 is BC, and 4 B. So this is we are getting from the based on the user ID condition. Similarly, let's consider first we'll store as this one as one CTE as this one. Same thing we'll consider as so order by I hope not required in this one. Then similarly, let's copy and paste here. Select distinct user ID and I will add as here friend ID also. Friend ID. So this friend ID based on condition we had to change here. User ID will consider as friend ID. Select distinct user ID, friend ID, page ID from friends F. Inner join likes L. Okay. So on friend ID equals to user ID. So let's see this answer. So we are getting all these details. User ID, friend ID, page ID. All the combinations. Let's consider as CTE1 as comma this one close. Now we'll write the condition. Select from left join, not left join. First give the table name. Select CTE1. CTE1 will consider as friends. Left join CTE. CTE will consider as users on f dot user ID equal to u dot user ID and f dot page ID equal to u dot page ID. So here I will consider as right now star. If I execute this, so all the records will be shown here. If you observe user ID 1, we have uh, 2, 3, 4. ABC is covered. So this page also covered all the pages. But user ID 2, user ID 2, A is covered. So this BC is covered as null. So these are nulls we had to identify. Now I will write as here where condition, where u dot user ID is null. If we consider it as user ID null, so only this one. Then we'll write order by f dot user ID. Okay. So we are getting 2. So user ID 2 will consider as BC. User ID 3 A. User ID 4 AC. Now I will write as here. I will remove the star and apply columns user ID and page ID. Let's execute. So user ID, page ID, okay, 6 records. So our output is this one. So 3, okay. If we write here distinct also, the duplicate record is also removed. Distinct. Okay, only 5 records. So here in this one, 5 records, C, 2, A, B, C, 3, A, 4, A and C. The same thing we are getting here. Okay. So this is one solution. Let's try with another solution also. Try your end and bring in the comment. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.